Thank you, Dr. Sahu, for the opportunity, and Ware India for providing this platform for all of us to share the knowledge and the thoughts. We just now we have seen one of the esteemed speaker has mentioned that we access only 0.00001% of the internet. So there is a huge amounts of data which is generated actually. And even if you see from a other perspective, like I say, securing the data perspective, 80% of any incidents, cyber incidents, are related to data. And out of this 80%, 93% are exactly data breaches. So the amounts, the bundles of data generated, maybe we have artificial intelligence and machine learning popping up around the world, and we are generating tons and tons of data nowadays. So in the next 1 year, already we have the artificial intelligence. The responsible usage of the artificial intelligence is going to be the key aspect, and securing the generated data is going to be one of the key focus areas from a security perspective, especially from a data privacy perspective, is going to be the utmost importance for the organizations. So either we manage it or we outsource it, somebody to manage it is going to be the decision the cyber leaders are going to have in the next couple of quarters to come. The reason behind is the amounts of data the organizations are playing around is unmanageable. And the trillions of bytes of data which is generated through various just now we have seen from other speaker how many kinds of devices they can manage, means these devices are generating data, and these are related to one organization. So how do you manage it? The organization need to create a separate industry under the CISO to manage them. So it's better a majority of the organizations are taking a tricky decision either to manage internally or to outsource it. These three things. One is data privacy focus. Second one responsible AI. And third one is have a critical decision taken either to manage it or to outsource the security management would be the key focus areas.
Wonderful.